Every April, visitors from across the country journey to the Skagit Valley for the annual Tulip Festival. Today, I'm visiting the Washington Bulb Company to meet with sixth-generation tulip bulb grower Leo Rusin and learn how they're able to grow and sell flowers year-round.
Well, basically, we grow tulips, iris, lilies. We grow cut flowers 52 weeks out of the year.
Wow.
And so we're in production in the greenhouses year-round.
Leo explained that their high-tech glass greenhouses are the reason why they're able to grow over 30 million tulips a year.
In these greenhouses, we have lilies growing.
Yeah.
You can see we overhead water here, but at a certain point, we've got drip tape.
No, I see, yeah.
Because that's pretty efficient type of irrigation, but then we keep the foliage dry, and that's one of the things. And when you have a dense production like this, you want to try to keep the air moving and keep the moisture off the plant so you control diseases.
Next on my tour is a cooler where they're using a technique called forcing. Leo said this is how they're able to grow flowers year-round.
So these tulips were planted actually in January.
Okay.
And you start them at a certain temperature, then they come into a rooting room at about 45 degrees, and we start lowering the temperature till we get them at a stage where we want them.
Uh-huh.
Now it's frozen right now. This is 30 degrees, so they're frozen. They're held.
They are frozen.
They're right there, okay?
Yeah.
Now, these will go in the greenhouse anytime in the next 2 months, and then about 12 days later, we have flowers.
That's crazy.
After the tulips are picked, they're sent to processing, where their bulbs are cut off, then the flowers are bunched and wrapped.
And then where will the flowers go?
You know, either large grocery chains or wholesale distributors throughout the country.
In addition to their fresh cut flowers, they also grow and sell bulbs. In fact, they're the largest tulip bulb grower in the country.
These bulbs are being graded, different sizes. They'll go back out and go back, and they will cure some more.
Leo showed me the area where they cure and dry the bulbs.
This is a volume of air that's being forced through here. So if you open this up,
After we got out of the wind, I asked Leo why it's so crucial to cure the bulbs.
when they come out of the field, they're wet. So not only dry, but they have to cure and go into dormancy, or when you ship them, you know, it's a live product. They'll continue to give off moisture and that type of thing, and you have problems.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
they need
that
to,
makes sense.
they need to, in fact, cure or ripen off a
Yeah.
little bit.
Got it. Why is this area so great for growing bulbs?
We have this mild maritime climate. We don't get the extremes on either end. We don't get the real hot, we don't get the real cold. We get adequate rainfall at the right time. We don't get huge amounts. And then we certainly are in the Skagit Valley, this river valley that's probably one of the most productive on the West Coast, maybe in the world.
Well, Leo, thank you so much for the tour. Seeing your giant facility really gives me more appreciation for the tulips I see in the store and the bulbs that I put in my garden, and I just appreciate everything that you do.